In this video I will provide an in-depth Glykonex review by comparing this supplement to traditional health management options to see how it measures up for your wellness goals. When we look at side-by-side contrasts, the primary standout feature is its holistic triple-action formula. Unlike single-purpose supplements, Glykonex aims to regulate blood sugar, support healthy blood pressure, and assist with weight loss all at once. The trade-off here is that it requires a consistent daily commitment to see results, but the benefit is a comprehensive approach for those struggling with metabolic issues or insulin resistance. For instance, the inclusion of berberine and juniper berry specifically targets insulin sensitivity, which is a major contrast to basic multivitamins. In a comparison of quality, this formula wins for health-conscious users because it is manufactured in the United States in an FDA-registered and GMP-certified facility, ensuring a level of purity not found in budget off-brand alternatives. The use of white mulberry leaf and chromium further highlights its focus on preventing glucose spikes throughout the day. If your use case is finding a natural, plant-based alternative to support cardiovascular health and heart health, Glykonex offers a powerful blend of minerals and botanical extracts that compete well with the leading options on the market. Whether you are managing specific health risks or just want to boost your energy levels through stable glucose, this review covers what you need to know. I hope this breakdown helped you decide if this is the right choice for your routine. If you found this comparison useful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more deep dives into health supplements. Feel free to drop a comment below with your own experiences or questions.